Hello beta, we are discussing about your chapter, The Indigo. Continue. Uh, Yesterday we are discussing about your last paragraph about Gandhiji objected against the delay in the proceedings of the case. He read a statement in front of the court in which he accepted his fault in a very humble manner. He said that he was not a lawbreaker and didn't want to go against the law, but his duty towards humanity has a greater influence on him, and it forced him to do so. He refused to leave the town because he wanted to help the sharecroppers, as it was his moral duty. And the magistrate asked him to arrange for bail because he was going to give his judgment after the 2 hours long break. And Gandhiji refused to seek bail, and later on he was released without it. Okay, this is your last paragraph that we are discussing yesterday. And your next paragraph, Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazruhal Haq, Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazruhal Haq, and several other prominent lawyers. Prominent means important. Important lawyers had arrived from Bihar, and they conferred with Gandhiji what would they do if he was sentenced to prison. Gandhiji asked why. The senior lawyer replied they had come to advise and help him. If he went to jail, there would be nobody to advise and they would go home. When the court proceedings restarted, the judge refused to deliver any judgment for many days to come. He allowed Gandhiji to remain free. Some well known lawyers like Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazrul Haq came from Bihar to help and advise Gandhiji. Gandhiji asked that if he was sentenced to jail, then what would be their course of action? One senior lawyer replied that they were there to help him out, and if he was sentenced to jail, then they would return back. अब प्रोसीडिंग के बाद की बात की जा रही है। जब कोर्ट में प्रोसीडिंग दोबारा से शुरू होती है तो जज का फैसला सुनाता है कि अगले कई दिनों तक दोबारा से कोई भी फैसला नहीं सुनाया जा सकता और गांधी जी को विदाउट बेल फ्री कर दिया जाता है। फिर गांधी जी कुछ अपने इन्फ्लुएंशियल जो लॉयर्स थे उन्हें बुलाते हैं, उनसे मीटिंग करते हैं, जो कि बिहार से गांधी जी को एडवाइस देने आए थे, और उनसे पूछते हैं कि अगर मेरे को जेल हो जाती है तब आप लोग क्या करोगे। तो उनमें से एक सीनियर लॉयर क्या कहता है, हम यहाँ पे आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए आए हैं। अगर आपको ही जेल हो जाती है तो हम वापस अपने घर चले जाएंगे। What about the injustice to the sharecroppers? Gandhiji demanded. Injustice means unfairness. Means unfairness. The lawyer withdrew to consult. Rajendra Prasad has regarded the upshot of the year. Consultation, they thought amongst themselves that Gandhi was totally a stranger, and yet he was prepared to go to prison for the sake of peasants. And if they, on the other hand, being not only residents of the adjoining districts, but also those who claim to have served these peasants should go home, it would be shameful desertion. Here, desertion means action of leaving a place or organizations. Consultation means discussion When Gandhiji came to know about their decision, he asked them to help the sharecroppers who were facing unfairness. Rajendra Prasad and other lawyers concluded that if Gandhi could go to jail for the people of their area, although he was a stranger, and then they should also follow him as they had always claimed to serve the peasants and fought their legal battles too. They decided that if Gandhiji went to jail, then they would follow too. On hearing this, Gandhiji assured them that their struggle for Champaran peasants had been won. जब गांधी जी को उनके डिसीजन के बारे में पता चलता है तो वो उनसे मदद के लिए कहते हैं कि आप बटाईदार किसानों की मदद कीजिए। राजेंद्र प्रसाद और अन्य जो वकील हैं वो कंक्लूड करते हैं कि अगर गांधी जी हमारे लोगों के लिए, हमारे किसानों के लिए जेल जाने के लिए तैयार थे, क्योंकि गांधी जी कैसे थे, स्ट्रेंजर थे, वहाँ से बाहर से आए थे, तो बोलता हम लोग अपने लोगों की मदद क्यों नहीं कर सकते। They decided that if Gandhi went to jail, then they would follow. अगर गांधी जी जेल जाएंगे तो वो भी उनके पीछे पीछे जेल में जाएंगे। On hearing this, Gandhi assured that after that they accordingly went back to Gandhi and told him they were ready to follow into jail. And then he took a piece of paper and divided the group into pairs and put down the order in which each pair to go to arrest. On hearing this, Gandhiji assured them that the struggle for Champaran's peasant had been won, and he divided the group into pairs too and made a sequence in which they had to voluntarily surrender in the court. फिर गांधी जी उनकी बात से सहमत होते हैं और गांधी जी क्या कहते हैं कि इस तरह से तो हमने चंपारण की लड़ाई जीत चुके हैं। और फिर गांधी जी एक पेपर लेते हैं, उसके ऊपर उन लोगों को दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं जो कि वॉलेंटियरली कोर्ट में सरेंडर करने के लिए तैयार थे। Several days later, Gandhiji received a written communication from the magistrate informing him that the lieutenant governor of the province had ordered the case to be dropped. Lieutenant governor means deputy governors and province means region. After some days, the magistrate sent a letter to Gandhiji in which he was written that, as per the orders of Deputy Governor, the case against him had been taken back, and civil disobedience had trumped and the first time in modern India. Trumped means won. It was for the first time in modern India that a peaceful protest against the government had been born. And Gandhi and the lawyers now proceeded to conduct a far-flung inquiry into the grievances of the farmer. Grievances means complaints. Complaints of the farmers. Depositions by above. Deposition means a formal written statements. Formal written statement by about 10,000 peasants were written down and notes made on other evidence. After some days, the magistrate sent a letter to Gandhiji in which it was written that, as per the order of Deputy Governor, the case against him had been taken back. It was for the first time in modern India that a peaceful protest against the government had been born, And Gandhi and other lawyers carried on with an in-depth investigation into the injustice with the farmers. And statements about 10,000 peasants were recorded, and various documentary proofs were collected, and the whole areas vibrated with activities, the investigators and the protesting landlords. अब कुछ ही दिनों के बाद जो डिप्टी गवर्नर था उसका लेटर गांधी जी को आ जाता है। क्या लेटर में क्या लिखा है कि हम केस वापस लेना चाहते हैं। इट वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम इन मॉडर्न इंडिया में, ये पहली बार हुआ था कि प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले लोगों की जीत हुई थी। एंड गांधी एंड ऑल लॉयर कैरिड ऑन विद एन डेप्थ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन द इनजस्टिस। गांधी और अन्य जो वकील थे वो डेप्थ में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना चाहते थे जो किसानों के साथ इनजस्टिस किया जा रहा था। स्टेटमेंट अबाउट 10,000 जो पेजेंट्स थे उनके स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड की गई, डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार किए, प्रूफ इकट्ठे किए गए, and a whole are vibrated with activity, the investigators and protesting landlords. और सभी लोग इसमें शामिल थे। After that, in June, the whole area thronged with the activity. Throng means produce a lot of vibration due to the huge crowd. Lot of vibration due to the large crowd. Thronged. With the activity of investigators, investigator means inspectors, and the vehement protest of the landlord. Vehement means showing strong feeling, forceful, passionate, intense protest of the landlords. In June, Gandhiji was summoned to Sir Edward Gate, the lieutenant governor. Before he went, he met leading associates and again laid detailed plan for civil disobedience if he should not return. Gandhi had for protracted interviews with the lieutenant governor, who, as a result, appointed an official commission of inquiry into the indigo sharecropper situation and the commissioner consisted of landlords, government officials, and Gandhi as the sole representative of the peasants. Someone means called, and leading means prominent, popular, associates means supporters, and protector means lasting for a long time, and representative means spokesperson or agent. In June, Gandhiji was called up to be present before Deputy Governor Sir Edward Gate. And before meeting him, he met his chief supporters and made plans for civil disobedience. अब जून के महीने में डिप्टी गवर्नर सर एडवर्ड गेट के द्वारा गांधी जी को बुलाया जाता है और मीटिंग से पहले he met his chief supporters and made plan to civil disobedience. अब होता डिप्टी गवर्नर के ऑफिस में जाने से पहले गांधी जी उनके जो सपोर्टर्स थे उनसे मिलते हैं और उनसे मीटिंग करते हैं और सिविल डिसओबीडियंस का एक प्लान तैयार करते हैं in case he did not return. Gandhi had 4 long interviews with the deputy governors, which led to the formation of a commission that inquired into the indigo sharecropper situation. अब गांधी जी की डिप्टी गवर्नर के साथ 4 मीटिंग्स होती हैं और इन मीटिंग्स में जो इंडिगो शेयरक्रॉपर्स है उनकी सिचुएशन पे इंक्वायरी बिठाई जाती है। And the commission had landlords, governors, government officials, and Gandhi, who was the only spokesperson for the peasants. उस कमीशन में कौन कौन से लोग हैं? लैंडलॉर्ड्स हैं, गवर्नमेंट के कुछ ऑफिशियल्स हैं और किसानों के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव गांधी जी थे. Gandhiji remained in Champaran for an initial uninterrupted. Initial means at the start. At the start, and uninterrupted means continuous. Period of 7 months, and then again for several shorter visits. The visit understand. The visits undertaken casually on the entreaty. Entreaty means an earnest of humble request. Humble request of an unlettered peasant in the expectation that it would last a few days, occupied almost a year of Gandhi's life. Here, Gandhiji remained in Champaran for 7 months. 7 months. He also made several short visits later. His visit on the request of peasant was presumed to last a few days, but it took a year. The official inquiry didn't favor for the planters, and the official assembled a crushing mountain of evidence against the brick planters. And when they saw this evidence, they agreed in principle to make a refund to the peasants. But how must we pay? They asked Gandhiji. Here, the official inquiry didn't favor for the planters. Hence, they agreed to pay back to the peasants. And but they questioned Gandhiji regarding the amount to be repaid. अब ऑफिशियल इंक्वायरी बैठ जाती है और ऑफिशियल इंक्वायरी के बाद जो एविडेंस थे उनका ढेर लग जाता है और गवर्नमेंट घबरा जाती है और किसानों की जो कंपनसेशन है, जो पैसे उन्होंने दिए थे उन्हें वापस करने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन क्या था कि कितना पैसा वापस किया जाए. दे थॉट, ओके ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.